I'm going to show you how you can easily add competitors in VidIQ. It's really simple. First, go to the VidIQ website and click extension. Now, since I'm using the Edge browser, it says install Edge extension. Now, click on it and it will take you to the extension download page. Click the get button and a menu will pop up and click add extension. Alright, now the extension is downloading. Wait for it. And you can see the extension is already downloaded. Now it will take you to the app dashboard. Now make sure you have a channel created
Welcome to
first.
VidIQ.
Now go to your YouTube channel and click view your channel. Alright, as you can see, I'm already on my channel dashboard. Now on the right corner, on the top right corner, you'll see something like this pop up. And on the left side of the screen, you'll see the competitors section. Alright, it says connect your YouTube channel. Oh, let me just connect my YouTube channel first and click connect your channel to just quickly connect it. Click continue. Now the channel is connected. Alright, let me go back to the YouTube channel and reload the page. Hopefully, this should work right now. We can now add competitors in VidIQ. Now to add competitors, we need to simply type the channel name. Like let me type Discovery Network. You see the Discovery channel is already on the competitors list. Now you can add more competitors if you like. Like for example, if I want to add Mr. Beast as a competitor, simply type Mr. Beast and click add. Follow the competitors videos like in sort views per hour from views. As you can see, I need to also adjust the date range. You can also filter the date like this month. How many videos Mr. Beast have added? Let's remove the competitors quickly. So you can see you can add competitors and see what videos are performing best for them. Right? You can filter by date range, this week, all time, past 48 hours. You can also sort the videos by views per hour or data uploaded. And that's how you can easily add competitors in vidIQ. Alright, so if you have any more questions, make sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Till then, take care.